Hey Jeff.
Hello Shelly. Greetings everyone who's watching this video. It is Jeff here bringing you another awesome update from our Kenya adventures. In today's video I'm going to be showing you around none other than Elsa's Kopje Meru, which is a luxury safari lodge that's part of the Elewana Collection. We have been staying here for the last 2 nights and we are going to be giving you a tour, excuse the bug, and giving you a very honest, authentic vlog experience showcasing what this place is all about. Just to give you a little bit of background of this place, this was opened in 1999 by Dr. Richard Leakey, and this place is single-handedly credited for saving the wilderness of Meru National Park. Meru National Park is often recognized as being one of the most biodiverse places to experience wildlife in all of East Africa, and before its opening this area suffered from lack of tourism, so therefore there was lack of funding to sustain and manage the park. So it almost was converted into rice plantations. But Dr. Richard Leakey, like I just mentioned, opened this lodge in 1999, and ever since it's been drawing in visitors to this lesser known, very unappreciated park in Meru. We are in the bush, right? There's lots of bugs. So today I'm going to show you what the meaning behind this, the story, the context. Let's go have a closer look.
Okay.
Do you want to see a slice of heaven in the heart of Kenya? Welcome to Elsas Story, a luxury safari camp that's part of the Elewana Collection. This place is located in Meru National Park, a place often recognized as being one of the most biodiverse in all of East Africa. What's significant about this place is that it single-handedly saved this wilderness. You see, before its opening in 1999, this area suffered from little to no tourism income, and therefore the park was unable to sustain itself due to lack of funding. There was even talk at the time that this fertile land, rich with wildlife, should be converted into rice plantations. The turning point came, however, when Dr. Richard Leakey opened this lodge, drawing in visitors to this lesser-known park and officially put Meru National Park on the safari map. Since then, it's earned itself a Golden Eco rating, which is a coveted certification that recognizes its sustainable use of resources, environmental protection, and support of local economies. Today, it stands as one of the most elegant, special, and meaningful experiences you can have in all of East Africa, and it's certainly been one of the highlights of my travel experiences. If you want to learn more about ecotourism and places in the world where you can immerse in nature, follow me and I'll take you on an adventure with purpose. Do you want to hear a magical story from the wilds of Kenya? I'm currently staying at Elsas Kopje Meru, a renowned overnight safari experience in Meru National Park that's operated by the Elewana Collection. But why is it called Elsas Kopje? Elsa was the name of an orphaned lion cub who was reared by famous conservationists Joy and George Adamson. They decided to take her in because she was just a cub when her mother was killed and she would be unable to survive on her own in the wild. Being unusually gentle-natured, Elsa developed a close bond with her adopted parents and eventually viewed them as part of her pride. Joy and George made several attempts to rewild her, but every single time she deeply resisted and would return to their home time and time again. Eventually, she would hear the calls of the wild that lured her back into her natural habitat. Joy conveys in her memoir that Elsa was born free and would die free. The book gets made into a popular movie in 1966, and the lodge, located on one of Elsa's favorite viewpoints, opens in 1999. If you want to learn about more wildlife and conservation stories, follow me for more adventures. So now I'm going to be taking you to our cottage. There are 12 rooms on this property, and we are staying at the Sunrise Suite, which means we have a direct view of sunrise. We saw it this morning. It was amazing.
Immaculate.
B-roll shot here showing that. Almost ran into this cactus. So when we first checked in, there was a butler who took all of our stuff, and every single room has their own butler, which means this person is here at all times of the day to walk you to and from your cabin. This is mostly useful at night because we are in the middle of the bush when there's danger lurking at night. But during the day, I feel completely comfortable and we're really close to the lobby in this room. So that's why we're not with the butler right now. Although maybe it'd be nice if the butler could carry me here.
I mean, I could use a lift.
I know. Maybe he should just carry us for the rest of the
One on each shoulder.
We got the walkie-talkie. Just kidding. Welcome to my home away from home. You guys, this is our cottage. When we first walked up to this, I was like, oh, our room must be in this building. But it's the whole building's ours, the whole cottage. Can we just show you? This place is paradise.
Okay.
All right. So this switch here turns on all the electricity in the entire cottage. Shelly and I keep forgetting this because we're like turning on light switches. And we're like, why isn't anything turning on? The power must be out. The solar panels are not working. But it's because we didn't do that. So come on inside. I will never forget the moment Shelly and I first arrived here.
The gasps.
Our mouths were just like this for like
Speechless.
a solid 10 minutes straight. Shelly and I don't know what to do. We're too excited. I don't know what to So we said the chairs. Look at the chairs. I didn't even speak English. I was speaking full on
French.
Latin. So welcome to our room. This is our safe haven.
Wow.
I love this place. Every single time I'm here, I just feel completely at peace. The details in this room, though, are immaculate. What's really cool is the architecture is built right into the pre-existing landscape. So this rock is natural. This is not a fake rock at all. Our bed is beyond comfortable. We slept through our alarm this morning, which has never, ever happened to me, ever. But I didn't hear anything.
I didn't hear anything either.
I was like, I was immersed on this. And we have a lot of mosquito nets here to keep you safe from all the bugs that might creep into the tent at night. You know what? I think we should just hold off and I'll just nap here for the rest of the day.
Can I join?
The rest of the video is just going to be me snoozing. I'm kidding. Let's continue the tour. So, of course, the selling point of this room is the view.
Wow.
The view is insane. Shelly and I keep just coming out here just for no reason other than just look at it over and over again. So, ladies and gentlemen, come outside. This is the sunrise view.
Wow.
I mean, this view speaks for itself. This is Meru National Park. We've got a seat for Jeff and a seat for Shelly.
Probably a Hydrax.
And then we have a seat for a Hyrax as well. So I just love watching the Nature Channel. It's my favorite show to watch, and I love having it accessible 24/7. I wake up to the Nature Channel, I go to bed to it. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Here's the view from the outside. Let's head on back inside, check out the bathroom and some of the other details I want to show you. Inside. Quick, you're gonna let all the AC out. We have a nice little office area here. And when we first checked in, there was a personalized note waiting for us, which was amazing. Love this little setup here. This is my manifestation list for things I want to achieve on safari. Elephant birth, lion cub sighting, rhinos mating, giraffe sleeping. Because, I mean, how often do you see a giraffe sleeping?
How does that happen?
I really want to see that. A lion kill. I mean, that would be dope. And I would really like to be an Elewana ambassador because I just would like to permanently move in. Something I also want to mention is that the Elewana Collection as a whole is a huge supporter of the Land and Life Foundation. And you'll find these in every single room. By generating donations from all the visitors who come to this lodge, they are directly supporting all sorts of humanitarian issues happening in Kenya and Tanzania. There's a huge emphasis on education. They've helped build schools. So I'll go ahead and read this right from the pamphlet. It says the Wildlife Warrior Program brings conservation education to students across Kenya and Tanzania and provides secondary school scholarships for the brightest and best young conservationists. Pretty cool. And we head on up here. We even have bathrobes and slippers. And Shelly, I'm surprised we haven't even used these yet.
I mean, it's been a little toasty.
Tonight we're going to use them. Come on up to the bathroom. Before we go all the way, I just want to say that there's complimentary laundry service here, which is amazing considering how much money I've spent on laundry services in safari lodges in the past. Most places will charge you anywhere from $5 to $10 per item, depending on what it is, of course. It's always just wildly expensive, but there's not really like laundromats around here, so you're kind of like have to pay it, but here it's totally included. Love that part. Here's our amazing, amazing bathroom. We've got a his and her sink. This is mine. This is Shelly's. We've got a bidet.
Yeah.
This is our shower. You don't believe me? I
The
swear
best
it's a shower.
part.
It's a shower. Look at this. I mean,
Wow.
you are definitely very exposed during the shower. I love doing that in nature. I love to just take it all off and let everything be
I
revealed.
mean, why not flash the lions?
Let's not flash lions. Watch this. The water is instant. The hot water is fast. Love it.
Actually, the best shower I've ever had.
The best shower I've ever had.
Yeah.
So you guys, that was our room tour. We're now going to head on to the pool area. Let's take a look. So we're on a little lovely walk all the way to the pool. I just want to point out that the architecture of this place is extraordinary. It's really literally built into the pre-existing landscape. So no freestanding trees that were here before its construction were torn down in the making of Elsas Kopje. Everything is fully natural. And if you find a giant rock in your cottage, that's completely normal. There's even a tree in one of the rooms that's growing right through the bathroom. So we're walking up to the pool area and also the place where we have dinner. And they typically take your dinner order before you go on your evening game drive. This way, by the time you get back, everything's fully prepared and you don't have to do any ordering. Everything's just fully ready.
Ooh, we've got a friend here.
Where's the friend?
To the left. Our little buddy.
Another rock kayak. This is the main lounge and bar area. This is where we will get our juices or drinks. If you pan over here, Shelly, this is the lawn that we will have dinner tonight. And under the stars, a candlelit dinner right here is nothing short of completely magical. Last but not least, I'm going to show you the pool. So here is a nice little lounging area. You can sit in the sun, drink some booze, drink some juice, whatever you care for.
Ooh, butterflies. Beautiful.
Nature. Okay, you ready to see this pool?
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Wow.
Enjoy your pool. I'll let this speak for itself.
Check out that view. What do you think, Jeff?
I'm thinking it's time for a dip.
I think so.
Let's do it.
Okay. How is it, Jeff?
It's perfect.
Wow, that view.
That was refreshing. Well, you guys, that's the lodge tour. I hope you enjoyed this fun little authentic vlog showcasing this beautiful property. This has been an incredible stay. Elsas Kopje and the rest of the Elewana Collection. Thank you so much for this incredible hospitality. The service was perfecto. So now I'm just going to enjoy the rest of the sun in the pool before going out on game drive. This is the Safari Dream, you guys. Until next time.